Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to open and use your Snapchat app and facing the issue that your Snapchat app is not opening or not working. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all you need to check your what kind of error will coming in your Snapchat. So guys, now I am going to open my Snapchat, and guys, now you can see my app is not opening. So guys, simply you can fix this. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys, after this click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your iPhone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And guys, after this you need to reconnect it again with your iPhone, and after doing this you need to go back. And second method is you need to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. And guys, after searching it you need to click on Snapchat, and guys, you need to update your Snapchat from here. So guys, if you have not updated your Snapchat, then you need to update first. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, simply the third method is you need to open your settings, click on general and click on iPhone storage, and guys, here you need to find Snapchat. So guys, simply you need to click on Snapchat and click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, after doing this, now I am going to open my Snapchat. So guys, you can see here. So guys, you can see here now my app is open successfully. So guys, you can see here. So guys, after doing all the method, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys, you need to open your settings again, click on screen time and scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys, turn off this feature. So guys, if it is turned on, then you need to turn off it. And after doing this you need to go back. And after doing this you need to click on general, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. And after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.